Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To start replacing the battery in your Lenovo Y70-70, you will need a few tools. Make sure you have a Phillips No. 0 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you work safely and effectively. First, power down your laptop completely and disconnect it from any power source. It is essential to ensure that there is no power running through the device while you work on it. If you're unsure or uncomfortable doing this on your own, remember we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. Next, flip the laptop over and locate the battery compartment. You will see several screws securing the bottom cover. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Take your time when removing the screws to avoid stripping them. Once the screws are removed, carefully use the plastic spudger to pry open the bottom cover. Gently slide it around the edges to avoid damaging any clips. If you encounter resistance, ensure all screws are removed before proceeding. If you prefer not to handle this yourself, we can assist with pickup and delivery at your home, making the process easier for you. After removing the bottom cover, locate the battery. The battery is typically a large rectangular component secured with additional screws. Use your Phillips screwdriver again to remove these screws. Make sure to take note of where each screw goes, as they may vary in size. With the screws removed, gently lift the battery out of its compartment. You may need to disconnect a cable attached to the battery. Carefully pull on the connector to disconnect it. If you're unsure about the wiring, consult your laptop's manual or our professional services for a quote before repair. Before installing the new battery, it's a good idea to clean the internal components of your laptop. Use compressed air to blow out any dust from the fans and vents. This will help your laptop run cooler and more efficiently. Now, take your new battery and align it with the connector in the compartment. Press it down gently until it clicks into place. Replace the screws that hold the battery in place, ensuring they are secure but not overly tight, which could damage the battery. Once the battery is secured, replace the bottom cover back onto the laptop. Make sure it fits snugly and that all clips are engaged. Then, screw the bottom cover back into place using the screws you removed earlier. Finally, turn your laptop over, plug it into the power source, and power it on. Check to see if the new battery is recognized and functioning properly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to us for assistance. Remember, no calls, no travel, just a simple request for help from the comfort of your home. With these steps completed, your Lenovo Y70-70 should be ready to go with its new battery. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.